Okay, so now we can start. My screen is visible or not? Let me know. Yes, Manoj,
Yes. Yes, yes.
Ravali, Shraddha. Good morning, everyone. So myself, Vishal Agarwal, I am Microsoft Certified Excel Expert, and I have right now 5 lakh plus community over different social media. I'm teaching Excel and Power BI. So fine, now we can start. Right now, you can see on my screen, I have one unclean data where I have multiple flows, right? This is the data cleaning part that I'm showing you right now. Why data cleaning is important? Because the first part that you need to do in the Excel is what? You need to clean your data set, then you are able to create your reports and dashboard, right? Correct. If you will see why data cleaning is important, right now this is unclean data. We have multiple flows, like we have this pipe icon, you can see pipe symbol. We have the formatting issues here, we have here also formatting issues, right? So how we can clean this data set with the help of AI? This is the first example that we are going to cover. Okay, so I'm just talking about in this session how we can use Copilot. Okay, I'm just talking about in this session how we can use Copilot. So Copilot is what? First, let's talk about the brief about Copilot. So Copilot is Microsoft product, right? It is Microsoft product, so it is secure tool, right? It is secure tool, right? So Copilot is AI tool that is developed by Microsoft, and by using Copilot, we can do multiple things, right? In Excel, we can write the formulas, we can write formulas, we can do the data cleaning part, we can create dashboards, right? We can create dashboards. Correct. But what we need to learn, how we can use that Copilot, what we need to learn in this part, how we can type the prompt, right? In any AI tool, we have to learn how we can type the good prompt, right? Correct or not? Let me know any doubt till now. We are discussing about the Copilot first. If any doubt till now, you can just let me know. I've just started right now. And Ramesh, you have also joined. Good morning. So we have started with how we can use Copilot in Excel. I'm not talking about the interface of Excel because you all are using Excel right now. You have joined this workshop just to learn how we can integrate AI with Excel, right? AI with Excel. So first we will learn how we can type the good prompt, right? I'm starting with this concept, how we can type the good prompt for Excel. So when you want to type the good prompt, the first thing that you need is what? See, what is the scenario that we will call for the good prompt? It is called as prompt engineering, right? Prompt engineering you need to learn. If you want to type the good prompt, you need to learn prompt engineering. Correct. So what is covered in the prompt engineering? I'm just giving you one basic formula that can be very useful. So it has four steps or four line items that we need to use in this prompt engineering formula. So what is the formula? Anyone knows? Yes. If anyone knows, let me know. If you know about the prompt engineering formula, how you are typing the prompt. See, prompt is what? Prompt is the input that we are providing to any AI model. It can be Copilot, it can be Chat GPT, it can be Cloud AI, it can be any other AI tool also, right? We need to type the prompt. So the main thing that we need to learn is what? How we can type the good prompt, right? So first scenario is what? We need to give the persona. We need to give persona. Persona is what? The role, right? You need to define the role to get the better result from any AI tool, right? We need to define persona. This is the first aspect. What is the second aspect? Anyone knows what is the second aspect? The second aspect is we need to give instructions, right? Instructions or command, right? Correct. Instruction means like I want to clean my data set, I want to apply the pivot table, I want to create the dashboard. So this is my instruction that I want to complete or I want to create, right? Then third scenario is what? We need to give context. Context. Or so context means what? The background. So in Excel case, what is the background? Maximum time we need to define the ranges. In the context part, we need to define ranges in maximum scenarios, okay, for the background. And the fourth part is what? Yeah, fourth part is what? It is format. We need to define we like result you need as a table format, as pivot table, as chart, how you want your result. So you need to define the format. So this is the basic rule that we need to use when we will type the prompt for any AI tool. So it can be for writing any email, if you want to create the images, if you want to create the content, if you want to create the Excel formulas. So this is the basic formula that you can apply in every scenario of the ChatGPT, Claude, or Copilots. Okay. In any AI tool, you can use this basic formula. Okay. You will get better result than typing the simple English. Okay. Maximum time we will type the simple English, like I will type the clean this data set, right? So maximum time, if you will type the simple English, you will get the basic results. But if you will type the simple prompt engineering formula, you will get better results. Okay, better results. Fine. So till now, any doubt you can ask, let me know. So this is prompt engineering formula, and we are going to use this formula in any scenario. Like if we will clean the data set, if we will look up the values, if we will create the pivot tables, if we will create the dynamic functions, if we will create the dashboards, right? We will use this formula, okay? We will try to use this formula. Maximum part, we will use this formula only, okay? So let me know any doubt till now. So today we are discussing about Copilot. I'm just repeating because some participants have joined right now. Copilot we are discussing right now. Copilot is Microsoft product developed by Microsoft. It is AI tool and it is secure tool. Like right now we have multiple AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Copilot. I will just recommend you to use maximum time the Copilot because you will get the secure scenario there, because we have the company data that we will use on daily basis. So we are not able to use that data set in ChatGPT or Claude because that are third party tool. So maximum time you can try to use Copilot. But if you want to use Copilot, you need what? You need Copilot Pro license, right? Pro license, correct? So nowadays you will get this Copilot Pro license when you will buy M365. So only with M365 we have the Copilot, right? Only with M365. That is the latest version of Excel, right? I will guide you how you can buy that. If you don't have, if companies are providing that part, so you can simply go through and you can use that, or you can explore that part, right? But if you don't have, you can buy that from the individual license on the basis of your Microsoft account. You can buy or you can sign up, and then you can use that. So I'm talking about today what this Copilot icon, and also we have the Copilot function. So two scenarios we have. We have Copilot icon, right? This is the icon. You can see this is the icon. If you're not able to see, let me hide my screen. I think so. You're getting my okay. You're able to see that is fine. So Copilot icon we have, or also we have Copilot function. Copilot function. Okay. Only you will get when you have Copilot Pro version. So right now, what is the today's scenario we have? We are starting with the very important topic of Excel that is called as data cleaning. Data cleaning. So why it is important? Because maximum time we need to create what is the ultimate goal of using Excel? We need to create reports or dashboards, right? So if you want to create reports or dashboard, in that case, what we need to do? We need the first aspect that we need is what? We need the clean data, right? Clean data. If you don't have clean data, we will get multiple flaws in the report, right? We will get wrong answers or wrong results in the report or dashboard, right? So for now, let's try to clean this data set and let me know what are the flaws we have in this. Yes? If anyone knows what are the flaws, what are the problem in this data set we have. So this is fully interactive session. You can simply interact with me. That is not a big deal. Okay. I've just opened all the scenarios. You can unmute your mic and you can interact with me. Okay. So that is fine. If any doubt till now, you can even ask. Yeah. Yes, please. Till now, any doubt? Manoj, Ravali, Shraddha, Ramesh, Sheikh, Soumya, any doubt till now, you can ask. Okay. No doubt. That is fine. So the scenario is clear or not? We have to clean this data set today with the help of Copilot, right? With the help of Copilot. Copilot is AI tool that is developed by Microsoft. If you don't have this Copilot, you need to buy the license, right? Or you can ask your company to get that license. Okay. Nowadays, companies are providing that license. Okay. So if I want to clean this data set, so what prompt I can type? First, we will discuss about the prompt. What prompt I can type just to clean this data set? Let me know if anyone knows. You just need to remember the formula also, right? Whenever you will try to create any prompt, try to remember that formula. You will create better prompt. So what is the formula? We need to give persona, then we need to give instructions, plus we need to give context, we need to give in that last format. So we have four aspects, right? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right? These four aspects we have in prompt engineering formula, right? Persona. Yeah. In Excel case, what persona we can give? It can be data analyst. It can be data analyst, right? It can be Excel expert you can give, right? I'm just talking about these two, but we can even give more personas, okay? So what instruction right now we need to give? What is my requirement right now in this data set? I want to clean this data set, right? This is my requirement. I want to clean this data set. So in instruction, what we can type? We can type clean this data set in structured format. So this is structured format, right? So I have also defined the format here, right? So there's no requirement to use the sequence, right? You can even give format earlier, right? That is not a big deal. So I've just typed this is my requirement for the instruction clean this data set in structured format. So this is my format, right? I've defined the format that I need is structured format. Then we need to give the context. So context we will give in the formula. Okay. We are using right now function of Copilot. So let's write out. Let's remove this ink from this pane. Yeah. So now I will type here is equal to Copilot. So if you don't have this Copilot function, you need Copilot license. Okay. If you don't have that Copilot license, you can get from Microsoft official website. Okay. You can buy that from Microsoft official website only, not from any other platform. Okay. So now in the Copilot function, first we need to give the prompt, right? Prompt part 1. So what is my prompt part 1? I can type as an Excel expert. I'm just using formula. You can type simply also. That is not a big deal. But to get better result, you can type with the prompt engineering formula. Okay. Now I've just typed as an Excel expert. That is my persona. Clean this data set in structured format. So I've given the format also, right? I've given my instruction. This is my instruction, right? Clean this data set is my instruction. Structure is my format. Then comma. Now, if you will see, we have the second syntax. So this is called as syntax. Whenever you will type any function, you have the syntax with that function. So first syntax is prompt part 1. Prompt part 1 we have already defined. Now context 1 is what? Maximum time in the context 1 we will give the range. So that we want to clean. So I want to clean this particular range, right? So I've selected this particular range that is A1 to C8 cell. If I will close the bracket and enter, let's see what will be the result. I'm just trying this part. Let's see what will be the result by using this Copilot function. Right now we are getting busy means it is loading. And bingo, you can see here we are getting the correct data set or not. Let me know any doubt in this part. See, we have all the data set in structured format. Order ID, we have order ID here. North, that is region. Even we have the headers here, right? We don't have headers, but here we have headers, right? Headings. Price also in the correct format. Quantity also, product also. customer email, customers and email. You can see customer name also in the correct format in the proper case, right? A is capital and S is capital in the name. And email ID is also in the lower case. So maximum time we will type our email IDs in the lower case. So that's why Copilot is giving me this kind of result. So this is Copilot function. Any doubt in this part, let me know. Yes, Manoj, Ravali, Shraddha, Ramesh, Sheikh, Soumya, any doubt?